Today we're working on a vehicle where all four doors were frozen shut from this winter storm. The solution to this is really easy. And look at this, see that's solid ice there. We got that heavy packing snow, then it melted a little bit during the day, or the vehicle is heated up during a drive, and then it turns to ice right here, all along this lip. Of course, this is a caravan, so it has that long weather stripping seal, right? So we managed to get one door open and then, start the vehicle, get it warmed up, pull it in the garage. And right here, all the way down, this hard stuff seeps in and suctions the door shut, ices it shut. We're just gonna take some Vaseline, petroleum jelly, whatever, and go along your weather stripping with a thin layer. Just kind of smear it in so it's not real noticeable. All along our weather stripping. That's an old trick my dad taught me, and it'll keep the ice from freezing the doors shut. We got double-digit negative temperatures coming in the next few days for like 4 or 5 days straight. So there's a tip for you. Part of the door seals with the weather stripping here on the back. It's a sliding van door, so it has a lot of contact area to freeze shut. Then, of course, never a bad idea to have a little lock deicer stuff in your purse or garage for when those locks freeze. You can pick up that deicer at Walmart, auto parts stores, dollar stores. It's all over. Here's a good example right here. This is all ice, iced up. When you're driving, you got your heat on full blast, or sitting in the sun during the day when the temps are a little higher, the snow will melt, drip down, or the snow that's falling currently drip down, seep into all these cracks. Overnight, we're getting negative 10-degree weather. It's gonna refreeze real nice and hard. See, I got it all nice and shiny now with the Vaseline. Make sure you get up in those cracks too, so the water could sit in there and expand and close your door shut. Even got a little snow that found its way down in here. But yeah, it'll freeze solid. And then, like this van, all four doors stuck shut.